you. Muru-san, spachi arigato. Thank you, thank you. Shimano-san, spachi arigato. Thank you, thank you. Oh my god, it's been so long since you've super chatted. Thank you. Mike eating Mike Tyson's ass. Thank you for the super chat. Thank you, thank you. It's been so long since I read that out loud. Thank you. Mama Sheesh, dragons at it again. Hope you're having fun with your senpai. Thank you so much, EMTA. Very cool. Thank you for the super chat. The legend. Zephyr, wanna come? Thank you for the super chats again. Thank you, thank you. How did Rengoku get here? I remember that moment. I don't know. Rengoku, like, wasn't it the one where the car was about to run someone over and then he transformed into Rengoku? That was something. I loved that scene. It was so funny. Ah, that was a good one. Yeah, Rengoku ga isekai'd. Tsuyoku nareru.